Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 24th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So if you've been watching my videos these last few days, I've been saying to look for logs pretty much every single day since this turned up, because to me it looks like the end of a pullback, especially on like the daily. I think it's going to take out these highs. After that, we'll have to see because it's really going to determine whether we really are just in a pullback on the daily time frame or whether this is some sort of a trend reversal. But for now, I am definitely still very bullish. Now, going down to the 1 hour time frame, a lot of the times when I make these videos, we're in a position where I am only looking for longs, but I definitely wouldn't recommend going long right now. I personally wouldn't be trying to go short, but I also wouldn't be trying to go long right at the end of a wave, right against the Fibonacci level. I would be trying to go long on every single one of these pullbacks, maybe on a potentially a shorter time frame, but definitely recommending longs in an uptrend. Not looking to go long right up against a Fibonacci level, potentially right near the end of a wave, but definitely looking to go long at the end of three-wave pullbacks. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.